Hello and welcome back on another video. On my previous video you've seen that I've done an interesting test, the AnTuTu benchmark test, which placed A60 on the first place with more than 20,000 points difference than A50. I just have to say quick that A50 is coming with an Exynos 9610 on 10 nanometers, and A60 is coming with a Snapdragon 675 on 11 nanometers. And the first test today would be the face recognition, Face ID. Okay, and we're gonna start on 3. Oh, it's quite fast, A60. I haven't seen that fast since OnePlus 5T. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, A50 just behind. We're gonna try one more time. Yeah, I did this test before with A60 and A50, and I have to say that honestly A60 is quite fast on face recognition. So we're gonna test all the apps and games. We're gonna see which one is opening the apps faster than the other one. So we're gonna start with the calendar on 3, 1. It's nothing on the background, so it's clean. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got A60 on here, so it's 2 points to 1. Play Store. Okay, quite the same time, if not A60 again, so I will put A60 on first place. So got 3, 2, 1. YouTube, A50 and then A60, so it's 3, 2. Hot UK deals. Okay, I think it's A60 on this moment. 4, 2. Okay, we got eBay, the next one. All right, you can decide on this one. Let's move on. AliExpress. And we're gonna come back, of course. Let's try again. AliExpress on 1, 2, 3. Okay, A50 first and A60 after. Shazam is the next one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, probably A50 again. Okay, Speedtest. 1, 2, 3. Okay, A50 first and then A60. And now, because we're here, we're gonna do a speed test. We're gonna start with A50 first. And let's see what speed we get at this moment. So okay, 36, 37, yeah, 36.94 megabytes. And let's see the upload test, and then we're just gonna move on the A60 and see if it's getting a few more megabytes than A50. Okay, let's start on A60 now. See if it's any. Oi, oi, oi. What's going on? 71 megabytes for A60. It's amazing. It's double than A50. And the upload, probably it's the same. So on download A60, it's superior than A50. No way. Yeah, I heard that a lot of people got problems with the Wi-Fi connection on the A50, but it's quite a huge difference between these two phones. Okay, 70 against 37, let's say, on A50. Okay, next benchmark. 1, 2, 3. A50 and A60, and these are the results from my previous video, the test. So 144 against 169, so it's almost 25,000 points. Wow, a lot. Okay, let's move on. Minion Rush. 1, 2, 3. Which one? Which one? No one. Oh yeah. Start on A60. tap to continue. Okay, A60 probably a bit, just 1 millisecond if it's important for you guys. Alright, let's move on. Angry Birds. 1, 2, 3. Starting up. Logging in. A60 first and A50 after. Okay. Let's move on these heavy games now on Need for Speed and Asphalt 8. So, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, seems to be 50 a bit faster. Oh no, I was thinking I pressed on A50 just a bit faster than A60, but then A60 just took it away way too fast. Connecting to the server. A60 we got here, which did open the game faster than A50. And see, yeah, already A60. Wow, it's amazing, because the price of A60, it's with like I said, more than 50 to 100 pounds less than A50. Okay, the last game, Asphalt 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see again. Oh, A60 again. I like this phone. If it would have AMOLED display, would be so perfect, but we don't have. Okay, would be interesting to see now if all these apps and games kept on the background will make the phone to be faster in a way. So let's start again with the calendar and let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, instant on A60. Play Store, instant again on A60. YouTube, okay, A60 again. Yeah, A60 again. eBay, 1, 2, 3. Maybe I didn't press, so we're gonna do again. eBay, 1, 2, 3. I think it's A50 on this time. AliExpress, 1, 2, 3. A60. Shazam, 1, 2, 3. Quite in the same time, not sure. Speedtest. A60 on this moment, and Tutu. Quite in the same time. Minion. Oh, resume. And what are you doing, A50? Oh, this is loading again. See what's nice on A60? Just keep the game on the background. On A50 just put me to load again the game. Nice. Okay. Angry Birds. And again, on A60 the game is kept on the background, so you're just ready to start. But on A50 the game just starts again for me, which I don't like this. It's a big like for A60. Let's see the big games now. 1, 2, 3. And look, resume, so you can start the game straight away. On A50 just load the game again. Wow, I haven't seen this A60 before and I'm quite impressed. 1, 2, 3. I don't like to claim anything, but yeah. So what do you think, guys, about this speed test between these two phones? You make an opinion. Which one should you buy? In my opinion, I will choose straight away A60, even if it doesn't came with AMOLED display and this jack audio. I don't use my headphones on the phone, so it's not a problem for me. So yeah, I would choose A60 in my opinion, and it's quite good. The processor Snapdragon 675 against Exynos 9610. This one is coming on 11 nanometers and this one on 10 nanometers. So well, quite the same. This one should be better, or Snapdragon is better. In my opinion, Snapdragon is better than Exynos. So thank you for watching this interesting video. And I did a video between A50 and S10 Plus, which A50 was quite not amazing, but was quite good against S10 Plus. And I'll be surprised to see A60 against S10 Plus. So keep an eye on the channel, subscribe, put the notification on, give it a like, and until next time, I just have to say thank you guys.